Hey, beautiful moms, welcome back to Mommy Mo Hair Care, where I help you care for your child's natural hair with ease and with confidence. Now, today we're doing a wash day Q&A. I'll be answering your most common questions about kids' wash days, from how often to wash, to the best detangling tricks, to stopping wash day tantrums. I've got you covered. So please, grab a notebook and let's get into it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a haircare tip. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. So, question 1, how often should I wash my child's hair? One of the most common questions I get is, how often should I wash my child's hair? And the answer really depends on your child's age, their hair type, and their lifestyle. As a general rule, I'll recommend infants aged 0 to 12 months, I'd say once a week, since their scalps produce minimal oil and they're not doing a lot of sweating or moving around, all right? For toddlers and young kids, I'd say every 2 weeks is a good frequency, which will help to prevent build-up and not dry out the hair from overwashing. Now, this frequency is also good to keep the hair moisturized, right? For active kids or kids with sweaty scalps, once a week or every 10 days is a good frequency, especially if they play sports a couple times a week or if they sweat a lot. Now, swimming kids, I would recommend every 2 weeks. And your approach in terms of products tends to be a bit different. You can watch this video, which I have linked here for tips if your child is an active swimmer. Super important, get the frequency right, and then that helps you to build your routine for your child's hair care. Okay, let's move to the next question. Drum roll, question 2. What should the wash day routine typically look like? A well-structured wash day routine is essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful hair for your child. Let me give you a general outline, all right? Now, your routine may differ slightly depending on the specific needs of your child's hair. Okay, if you're interested in personalized guidance, you can head over to my website to book a session with me. The link is in the description box. All right, so first you want to detangle before washing. More of this later in the video. Step 2, wash with lukewarm water and shampoo. Step 3, condition with a deep conditioning treatment or a rinse out conditioner. Very important for keeping damage away. Step 4, towel dry. Step 5, apply leave-in products. Step 6, style. Now, question 3, what's the best shampoo for kids? Now, this next question, okay, is what shampoo should I use for my child? A lot of you are really confused. What should I be using to wash my child's hair on wash day? In my own opinion, the best shampoos for kids' natural hair are sulfate-free and moisturizing shampoos. Ideally, you would want something which says kids or children on the label. Now, you can get away with using products that are not specifically meant for kids, but to be on the safe side, and if your child is really young, stick to kids products. Okay, now look out for ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, coconut milk. These are ingredients which are deeply moisturizing and softening. Look for gentle cleansers like cocoa glucoside or decyl glucoside, just to name 1 or 2. Some soothing ingredients that you can look out for in your children's shampoo are stuff like aloe vera and vitamin E. Now, please avoid harsh sulfates which can strip moisture from your child's hair. Clarifying shampoos, please use only once a month or once in 6 weeks to remove build-up and give a nice, refreshing reset. Let's move to the next question. Question 4, how do I make detangling easier? Now, mamas, if detangling is a struggle for you, then you need to try including a pre-poo or a pre-shampoo step before you proceed to washing your child's hair. Now, step 1, apply coconut oil or a nice creamy rinse out conditioner to your child's dry hair. You can have a spray bottle of clean water to further provide some slip if you need it, all right? Now, be sure to do this in sections, please. Step 2, next, use your fingers to first separate the hair strands in the section before moving on to use a wide tooth comb. Some people like to use brushes. Be sure to start from the ends and then you walk up to the root using short strokes. Step 3, once that section is thoroughly detangled, You can then move on to the next till the entire head of hair is detangled. Now, please remember not to tug forcefully. You will, one, break the hair, and two, make your child uncomfortable. Always detangle on hair to which a product has been applied for less breakage. If you need to see the best techniques for every stage of your child's wash day or for kids wash day, then you need to enroll for my Handle Your Kids Wash Day Like a Pro online course. Link is in the description box. Now, the course is designed to help you go from struggle to success with simple, proven techniques. Just think about it. No more tangles, no more fights, just more confident, happier wash days for you and your child. You deserve to care for your child without stress, frustration, confusion, mom guilt, and as a bonus, you learn tips which will reduce hair loss on wash days. So get enrolling. You get half a year's access to the entire curriculum, so you can keep coming back to the lessons over and over and over and over and over, just to keep yourself abreast of what you need to do. Before you know it, you'll be a pro. Question 5, the question on everyone's lips. How do I stop wash day tantrums? Now, if your little one hates wash day, and I know that there are thousands of little children who kick back against wash days, then maybe try these tips, 1 or 2, all right? First, make it fun. Play their favorite music or let them bring a toy to the wash area. I usually advise my mom clients to have dolls or get dolls with lots of hair for their daughters to play with on wash days. Be prepared to spend some shampoo and conditioner and play a do like I do game. It usually helps. I have used this method, and mommies, it works. It works. If your child doesn't have the dexterity for dolls, maybe water toys or bath time toys will work. Play music from their favorite shows and sing along. My daughters used to love this when they were much younger. Now, when you're not in the bathroom, all right, having them watch one of their favorite shows is a great idea. Also, video games, please keep within your screen time limits. If you don't want to do screens, then you can try using coloring books. Have some crayons and markers on hand. And if your child can read, a lovely storybook will come to your rescue. Also, healthy snacks tend to keep tantrums down to a minimum. Emphasis on healthy snacks, all right? Let them help. This is another tip. Kids love feeling independent. Let them help you hand over the comb or the shampoo, the conditioner. And if they can articulate well enough, you can actually ask them for suggestions on hairstyles. Of course, you would have created the styles to offer as options. You don't want the child to pick something that you're unable to do or that is inappropriate. Now, number 3, be gentle, and I mean very gentle. The tugging motions, which characterize most wash days, can tend to make children uncomfortable. So you want to be as gentle as possible. Walking in sections will help you to keep the tugging to a minimum. Again, if you want to see how this is done, sign up for my Kids Wash Day course. The link is in the description below. Let's move on. Question 6, and our final question in this video. What is the best way to dry kids' hair? Now, mommies, before I answer this question, you need to know that if the health of your child's natural hair is a priority for you, then you should make a practice of air drying as opposed to using the blow dryer. Now, the blow dryer is not your enemy, all right? It is how it is used and how often it is used that can become the enemy of your child's hair progress. Right, now, out of the shower or the wash area, after you have rinsed out the conditioning treatment, please use a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt instead of regular cotton or terry towels to pat or squeeze your child's hair till the excess water is gone. Mommies, gone are the days of vigorous rubbing, right? Nothing like that. Now, if blow drying is your thing, then please make sure that after you have patted till damp, be sure to apply a leave-in conditioner. Detangle gently in sections, then apply a heat or thermal protectant prior to using the blow dryer. Also, make sure that you are using it on the lowest setting. Try not to use the blow dryer on every wash day, please. please, 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 please. Thank you. Of course, when you're done with the wash day steps of pre-poo or pre-shampoo, shampooing and conditioning, make sure you apply leave-in conditioner to your child's hair and follow up with a sealant, please, to lock in moisture. This can be an oil or a butter, and then you can proceed to style your child's hair in simple protective styles. Please remember, every child's hair is unique, so it's essential to tailor the wash day routine to their specific hair needs and preferences. So mommies, I hope this Q&A makes wash day easier for you and hopefully answered some nagging questions which you had. Which tip was most helpful? Comment below and let me know. Also, remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, where I'll once again be sharing helpful and practical tips which will help you nurture and care for your child's natural hair. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.